Another Codewars challenge. This one is a level 7. We're doing it in Python and it's called Sum of Angles. And always there's a link to the challenge in the show notes right below the video if you want to try it out before watching my version of the solution. There's no better way to learn Python than to do Python on your own. So as always, if you're getting value out of these, please like and subscribe. That helps keep me going and it helps keep you informed every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So we need to find the total sum of the internal angles in degrees in an insided simple polygon. N will be greater than 2. Okay, so I actually had to Google this. Basically, an insided polygon, the way you do it is you take the number of sides of the polygon. That's the number you're given here. You subtract 2 from that and you multiply it times 180, and that's how many degrees you would get. So 3 minus 2 is 1 times 180 is 180. Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 is 360. Okay, so in a lot of these, you're not expected to know everything ahead of time, right? So coding is an open book test, right? Every given day, when I'm working on a project or whatever, my browser looks like this by the end of the day, right? I have so many different tabs open that it's unreal just from Googling. So with that in mind, you could always do sum angles polygon. And you can see here that there's where I got the formula. So nothing special there. You're not expected to divine all of math off the top of your head. Okay, so n minus 2 times 180 gets you the answer here. So let's just return n minus 2 times 180. And so let's test that out. Looking good on the test cases. Let's submit it. Looking good there. Full submission, and nice and quick and easy.